Alright guys, welcome back. This is Jessica here again at Western Oklahoma State College, and we're just going to kind of go through some structures here. This is going to be the sheet brain. Again, this would come in your kit, and you can get your tools out. And again, for your video, these are some of the structures I want you to point to while you are doing your video. You should get a whole brain, and so what you're going to do is simply make a cut down one of the hemispheres. So this is a whole brain, and when you make your cut, I want you to just cut right down the center here, right down the center, and you're just going to open it up, and then you should get one. When you open it up, it should look like this. So let's just go through some of these. Of course, there are more in your PDF packet that you'll probably have to label on the instructions underneath your lab assignments, but I'm just going to go through a couple of things and kind of what they look like. Some of them are harder to see than others. Alright, so the first one here, what we're going to look at, number 17, this is going to be your optic chiasm. And so this one is a little tougher to see, and it's going to be the portion that crisscrosses, and yours might be a little bit brighter than mine. Mine has been out for a little bit, but you should see this crisscross pattern in your brain, and that's going to be your optic chiasm. So that means to crisscross or cross. Number 16 here, you're going to see what looks like an upside down Nike check, if you will, and this one's a little harder to see, but you can see the structure here. It's going to make kind of an upside down Nike check, and this is going to be your corpus callosum for number 16. So your corpus callosum here. Okay. Number 15, this one's going to look like cauliflower here. And this is going to be your cerebellum. So this controls your balance, and yours should look like cauliflower whenever you go to open it. Here, that's number 15, your cerebellum. Number 14, this is going to be your pons. So this is going to be our brainstem. And what you want to do is go through and find the pons, the medulla oblongata, and the bottom portion of the brainstem. And you're going to want to mention those in your video. You're also going to want to mention the gyri versus the sulcus or the sulci. And so make sure you're following your PDF packets as to what it is, all the things you should be labeling. So each one of these is your hemispheres. Okay, we have a right and a left hemisphere, and this is your sheet brain.